Working from home offers a unique blend of flexibility and focus. It allows me to tailor my environment and schedule to maximize productivity. This control over my workday is invaluable for achieving deep work and producing high-quality output. The absence of a commute provides me with extra time and energy. I can invest this time in activities that enhance my well-being and productivity. Whether it's a morning workout or a few moments of meditation, starting the day on my own terms sets a positive tone. Working from home empowers me to create a work-life balance that suits my needs. It allows me to be fully present for both my work and my personal life. This balance is crucial for my overall happiness and job satisfaction. A productive work-from-home day begins with a structured morning routine. Waking up early allows me to ease into the day and gather my thoughts. A healthy breakfast fuels my body and mind for the tasks ahead. Exercise is a non-negotiable part of my morning routine. Whether it's a brisk walk or a yoga session, physical activity invigorates me and sharpens my focus. Taking a few moments to meditate or practice mindfulness centers me and prepares me for the workday. This deliberate practice helps me cultivate a calm and focused mindset. Having a designated workspace is paramount for productivity. My home office is a clutter-free zone designed to minimize distractions. A comfortable chair and an ergonomic setup support good posture and prevent discomfort. Natural light floods my workspace, creating an inviting and energizing ambiance. I personalize my workspace with plants and inspiring artwork to foster a positive and creative atmosphere. The physical separation between my workspace and my living areas helps me maintain a clear distinction between work and personal time. This separation is essential for disconnecting at the end of the workday. Time blocking is an indispensable technique for maximizing productivity. I divide my workday into distinct blocks of time, each dedicated to a specific task or activity. This method eliminates decision fatigue and ensures that I allocate sufficient time to important tasks. I prioritize deep work sessions during my peak productivity hours, typically in the morning. Time blocking also helps me schedule breaks, meetings, and other commitments in a way that minimizes disruption to my workflow. It provides structure and ensures that I make steady progress throughout the day. Section 5. Prioritizing tasks, conquering the to-do list. A well-structured to-do list is my compass for the day. I use the Eisenhower matrix, categorizing tasks by urgency and importance to prioritize effectively. Tasks that are both urgent and important take precedence. I tackle these tasks first, ensuring that they receive my full attention. Tasks that are important but not urgent are scheduled for later in the day or week. I delegate or eliminate tasks that are neither urgent nor important to free up time for higher priority activities. Section 6. Technology to my aid, tools for enhanced productivity. Technology plays a crucial role in enhancing my productivity while working from home. Project management tools like Asana and Trello help me stay organized and on track with deadlines. Communication apps like Slack and Zoom facilitate seamless collaboration with colleagues. I use noise-canceling headphones to minimize distractions and create a focused auditory environment. Website and app blockers such as Freedom and Stay Focused help me resist the allure of social media and other online distractions during deep work sessions. Section 7. Staying focused, winning the battle against distractions. Staying focused while working from home requires discipline and strategies to combat distractions. I minimize interruptions by communicating my work schedule to family members and setting boundaries. Turning off notifications on my phone and computer during deep work sessions helps me maintain focus and resist the urge to multitask. I practice the Pomodoro technique, working in focused intervals of 25 minutes followed by short breaks to maintain concentration and prevent mental fatigue. Section 8. A moment of rest, the importance of breaks. Regular breaks are not a luxury but a necessity for sustained productivity. Stepping away from my workspace every hour or so allows me to recharge and return refreshed. I use these breaks to stretch, move around, or engage in a quick mindfulness exercise. Breaks provide a much-needed mental reset and help prevent burnout. They also offer an opportunity to reflect on my progress and make any necessary adjustments to my schedule or approach. Section 9. Reflections on a productive day. The joys of working from home. As my workday draws to a close, I reflect on the sense of accomplishment that comes from a productive day working from home. The flexibility to structure my day, minimize distractions, and prioritize my well-being has been transformative. Working from home has not only increased my productivity, but has also fostered personal growth. It has taught me the importance of self-discipline, time management, and the power of creating a work environment that supports my goals. The ability to seamlessly blend work and life commitments brings a sense of balance and fulfillment that is truly invaluable. I am grateful for the opportunity to work from home and experience its many benefits.